Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the Dolly Parton challenge by using a simple Instagram trick. So what you want to do, you want to open Instagram on your phone and you actually want to go to stories and you can click right there. Then next up you actually want to find the layout feature. So you want to scroll, then you'll see boomerang, and then you want to go to layout, and then right there you can actually create the challenge by simply adding photos. So if I click right there, I just added one photo. Then you can do this 3 more times. Now for the sake of this video, I'm just going to select the same photo 4 times, but you can actually select different photos in every single spot. You can then also play around with them. Now I'm just going to do that, and then next up you can actually add text. So you can do LinkedIn. You can play with this, of course. I'm going to do that. You can add it right there. Then next up, I'm going to do Facebook. You can then do this once again. And you can see where this is going. You can simply add all of these by using Instagram on your mobile phone. So next up, we've got Instagram and then Tinder. So let me add Instagram right now. There we go. And then finally, Tinder. And there you go. You can then either post that or you can click right there to save it. And that's exactly how you can actually create the Dolly Parton challenge on Instagram. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.